Good day, and cock-a-doodle-doo to you too.
January and the springtime is known to be catalysts to get yourself organized and purge and clean, all the things. By the time you see this video, I'm having surgery the next day. So I had to get this project done ASAP. It needs some attention. I have to go do a few groceries. So before I do that, why not take advantage that the refrigerator is kinda on the bearish side? Easy, quick cleanup. 1, 2, 3, done. Hi Sugar Cookies, welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new around here, I'm Cookie, your lifestyle. And you're watching a lifestyle channel. Here are some of the containers that I have on hand. I got those from the Dollar Tree. This one I had on hand already, and these I also had on hand. Let me see, this one that has this drawer style cost $4.99 from Marshall. I really like these a lot. I'll try to remember to put all of these items that I've mentioned in the description area of the video, so take a look at that. These containers came in a set of 3. I also got these at Marshall's. This is not a sponsored video. I got these for $7.99. Maybe if I bring it a little closer like that. Fabulous. Okay, let's see what I do. Oh, hello. That's where you're at? Come on, come on, come on. Come out of the cold, come out of the cold. Oh yes, this is the state of my refrigerator right now. Not too bad. However, it could be better. Do you see that right there? This is why I no longer like to use these kind of liners for the refrigerator. I'm gonna show it up closer when I empty the refrigerator so you can see what I'm talking about. And I'm gonna try my trusty Dollar Tree mats and see if that works out, because they're wipeable. That's not wipeable. Once you remove it from the refrigerator, then it leaves it exposed while you're washing it. I mean, it is, you know, you can wash it, but like I mentioned, you leave this exposed. Well, with the mats, at least you can wipe stuff up. So this is gonna be easy because I have everything in little compartments. And then, oh, let me show you.
What is that?
Oh, my lord. Oh, that's not, that, I don't like that. Yeah, we can do better. Don't judge me. And then we got this right here. Now, I'm not going to include the freezer organization in this particular project because I kind of have it organized right now, and this is currently what it looks like. I have proteins on this side. I have some prepared and marinated meats. I have a lot of prepped things here as well, potatoes and things. And then up here in this drawer, I usually keep breakfast related things, and I have some artisanal bread that's delicious. I have some nuts back there, and I have that yogurt frozen bar that I've made before. What the hell? Oh no, what is that? Oh, it leaked. Oh, this needs attention. Yes, yes, I know you're open. So, and then I also have a freezer out in the garage. This right here definitely needs attention. To take this roast out. That's our dinner for tonight. Am I holding this like this? Hold on a minute. Let me get a sip of my coffee. I already have some warm soapy water with some vinegar. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to show you what I'm using, because if this is strong enough to get oil and grease off of these penguins and ducks and things, this does a wonderful job at getting the grease off. I just love using that. And then when I'm done cleaning the inside and organizing, I'm going to use this concoction my husband got off of a Spanish TikToker. And when I mean Spanish, I mean literally from Spain. And she gave a concoction. I know that one of the items in here is baby oil. And I'm going to use one of his special cloths for that. So Let me get to doing this. I can do this. I love keeping pickled purple onions in my fridge. Say that fast 5 times. I have fresh sofrito. I have a recipe on that on the channel. Look that up on my playlist. Pickled garlic. Get it, girl, get it. I always love to have music when I'm doing household projects and things. This project for me has been made easy because of the fact that I have things in compartments. I've already mentioned that. And this is some sake that was a gift. And taking everything out is not a problem, and also putting everything back. I love having these eggs in this container right here. Makes everything so quick in and out. Love that. Do we see? That's pretty grody. We're done. I emptied all of that out. I'm gonna take this out of here, just like that. And I'm gonna put it right in there, nice and soapy. And, oh, this is stuck on there. Oh, do we see? No, gotta go. Let me get to cleaning this. Sugar cookies, a tip for you so that you don't feel overwhelmed when you're organizing and decluttering and cleaning your kitchen is to put everything in light groups. All the condiments and the fruit and vegetables back there. I put a lot of the other condiments on that Lazy Susan right there. This pan, I keep it, it's so old, but I keep it there for my leftovers, so I can just pull it out. This makes this project so much easier. See, and the like. I'm so happy that when I'm tackling projects like this, I already have this pot roast marinating in onions. I'm leaving it at room temperature because why, people?
Wet meat don't brown.
And I have frozen potatoes as well. I'm going to use a bag of kale and cabbage mix that I have over there. And there we go. I already have frozen meals that I prepped also to have my husband set up while I'm recouping from surgery.
I love that man of mine.
Whew. Let's tackle this. Oh my. I wanted to show you something else that makes me a bit sad. I had these herbs in here. Dill, I love dill. Rosemary, it's already gone south. Thyme is the only thing that survived. How poetic was that? Thyme is the only thing that survives. Ooh. Write that down, somebody. And then, this pickle juice right here, I'm not gonna throw it out because one of the soups that I am going to be making is a Polish pickled dill soup. It is absolutely delicious. Oh my goodness. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in cubes and freeze it. It feels so good to have gotten all the grease and all the muck off of these shelves from the fridge. Whew, it's a lot of work, but I got it done. The other big ones are in the dishwasher. Again, I just absolutely love the way that detergent, that dishwashing detergent just takes all the grease out like
Dang.
it feels so good to get this done. That soapy warm water solution with some vinegar really gets the job done. So this way you're not putting any harsh chemicals in your refrigerator or have any residuals. Because I've done that before, and then sometimes, you know, I'm wondering, why does my arugula taste like Windex? Oh my gosh, this looks so much cleaner. Let me bring you in closer. Oh, much better. Dollar Tree, I'm available. These fit in here just great. I can put it this way, or I'm gonna put it this way for maximum spreadability, and then I'm gonna put containers on top of that anyway. Oh, what a difference having things nice and clean. Yay! Okay, let's see what I can put back first. Let's see, do I want to change? I put the lemons up here. Let's see. And give this a new, let's see what I do. I don't know the exact ingredients of this concoction. However, I do know that it does have baby oil, and the other one is vinegar. And also, when you're going to wipe, you have to wipe with a nice microfiber cloth and wipe in the same direction. Backwards and forwards, not up and down and circles. It has to be backwards and forwards and with the grain. This way you get that beautiful sheen, and then you polish it well. Because of the fact that I had things in little compartments, they were easy to remove. I wiped things down. So I want to say that this project took about maybe, about an hour and a half or so. By the time you're seeing it, of course, in editing and stuff like that, it's a lot shorter. Anywho, I'm glad that I had containers. Oh, and I also found these silicone bags that I had in my pantry, and I used some of these for storage. These are great for food storage. They're great for freezing. These have a great seal. These in particular I got from Aldi, not sponsored, but these are absolutely wonderful. I think like 5 of them came in a pack. And then I have one of this 3-piece set acrylic basket or container, if you will. And this will come in handy for something else. How do you like my polish job, huh? Not bad, not bad. Here we go. I'll bring you closer. Oh, she looks so nice and organized. Look at that. I just shifted everything around, and I thought about function for myself, for my husband, for my daughter. I am very happy with the results of my organization, especially with the containers that I had on hand. Some of these are Dollar Tree, like this one right here is Dollar Tree. Those I already had up there. Another Dollar Tree one. This is for desserts and things, and I could push it back, and then it leaves a little bit of real estate place. I've left a little bit of niches and spaces. Yes, I know I'm open. I've left a little bit of niches and spaces to place things. This is good real estate. Same thing with this. Love that. To the right, I have my ferments and my pickling and things, and I corralled all of the dairy, and I have my tray for leftovers there. I've always wanted to have a tray for my meal preps throughout the week and things, and I got that right there. And my Lazy Susan, I placed it down here. I think it's better access that way. And then in the vegetable drawer, you can see the silicone bags that I have right there. If I don't get to it quickly, I could just pull it out and put it in the freezer because they're already washed and prepped and ready to go. And I have my arugula and my beets, and you get the gist. And then I have my fruits on this side. I try not to keep too many fruits this time of year, only things that are in season. And then in this drawer right here, I have my cheeses and some cold cuts. And then look, I have real estate. I love that. bougie on a budget and clean. What do you think? Not bad, huh? A good organization system on a budget. I had the things on hand, a little creativity. I purged, I cleaned, I did all the things. Hopefully you'll get motivated and maybe you can glean a few little tips and maybe hacks, or even share some of your hacks with me. Share with me below some of the projects that you're tackling around your house. Maybe we can get through it together. If you like this video, donate me a thumbs up. If you found some value, a chuckle, a laugh or two, and you like this content, smash that subscribe button. I'd love for you to join my lifestyle sauce. Turn your notification bell, you know, the ding 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 bell. This way YouTube can let you know when I upload my videos. Share the video, why? Because this way the algorithm says,
Hello, she's there.
be blessed, not too stressed, and I'll see you in the next lifestyle moment. Bye. Well, cock-a-doodle-doodle-doo to you too. Never fails. In a minute. Even early in the morning.
Hello?
Agent 777 here. Mission accomplished.